To make a text mask experiment in Photoshop, you'll need two images. So go to File, Open, and select the two images that you'd like to use for the experiment. So I'm going to use this one. File, Open again. And I'm going to use this one. It's quite important to use images that are the same way round, so whether they're landscape or portrait, just makes it a little bit easier. So you've now got two tabs like so, and you need to put one into the other. So you need to select the Move tool, grab hold of one of the images, pull it up to the other tab, and then drop it in the middle of that image. And now you've got both layers in one image, like so. Then you need to go to the Type tool, which looks like a capital T. Select that and click anywhere on the page, and then you can write out or type out the word that you'd like to use. So I'm going to use the word fragile. And then you can select that. If in future you ever need to select it, you could also go down to the layer here, the type layer, and double click on that, like so, and that selects it for you as well. And you can use the options up here at the top to change the font if you'd like to use a different font. I'm going to stick with Arial, but I am going to make it a little bit bigger. You can do that here by typing in a size, but I find the best way to do it is go back to the Move tool and use the Control T shortcut on the keyboard and then drag it up. And if you hold Shift, remember, and drag it, it keeps it in proportion, so it stops the text from becoming stretched. And then press Enter when you're happy with the size. And then what you need to do over here on the right hand side is move one of the images on top of the text. So we'll try it this way around first of all and see if we like it. So we'll put this one on top. Then you need to right click and create clipping mask. What you'll see happening is the top layer is only visible through the word. So you can move the top layer around until you get the desired effect. You can also click on the text and move that up and down until you get the effect that you'd like. You can also try it the other way around. So you can swap these layers, but what you'd have to do is unlock the bottom layer first of all. So that's easily done if you double click on it and press OK. And then you can put this one on top of this one, pull that one down below, and then back to here and just once again right click and create clipping mask. And there you have the opposite effect. So once you're happy with your experiment, you will need to flatten the image and save it. So you can go to Layer, right to the bottom, Flatten Image, File, Save As, and you can call it Text Mask and save it, and then press OK.